Just like when I say about the recipient them. The one them where say, oh Donna, woman I go sue and what. Unless I want to take up the woman, send the woman a Donna yard and know, I cannot speculate. The only thing I have to say, sorry for what happened and speedy recovery for the lady. For the lady's health. Me nah go say what me no know about and what this, who this, that. I'm very sorry, me have more content. Tina, me come to Tina. Why you block me? You need to unblock me. We were talking so good. You were telling me the things them. You need to unblock me. Andrew Walter, your brother up in a Boston and on the papers. Where you walk a look woman for married to. Anyhow. The anything where you plan for me, plan it good. You see how you're frightened because the feds them dig you up at the airport when you come back, you're well frightened. Watching me and you. You watching me and you. When I done with you, you see Tina. When I done with you, I'm not finished. Because I say, if you think me not have Andrew yard, or Andrew address, or Andrew picture, you make a sad mistake. You make a sad mistake when I finish with you. On the media, yeah. So this is the thing. Me don't know what the problem about. I could have that dog. Yeah, me never see me say post crawl. But we don't know. I'm not going to make it look like Sebekan. I'm going to tell you something. The woman's health is more important than what? Let me tell you something. None of them that is talking and gloating about the situation, none of them don't worry about the woman's health. They are talking like it's them send the woman there, they talk to the woman because all some of them are say the woman are go sue Donna. Where the woman, everybody say the post where Donna feed pan life, and that's not the cat that bite the lady. That is not the cat that bite the lady, and this is for sure you all. When me see them use this thing and make a big content out of it, and none of them, the woman I go sue Donna, a Donna cat, Donna feed it and everything, and them have everything, and none of them say speedy recovery. None of them can say speedy recovery. And it surprised me to see how some of them sit down and eat with Donna and run up in a Donna. Now attack this thing and attack all how much a woman to sue Donna. Why should the woman? No, this is our problem. Do we think money? I don't know for nobody, but money can smooth or soothe all pain. Do we think that we need money, yes, to pay our bill, our necessary bill, to save that if in case something happened? And you know, I remember I had this conversation with a lady, and I said to her, put it down for a rainy day. And she said to me, she doesn't believe in that. I am more concerned about the lady's health, and nobody's talking about that. Yes, and I said it all the time. Nobody, because even Jesus, God, and everybody love. This is why we have love and like and hate. No, we are not obligated to like Donna. But for this, you talk on it, and nobody can say speedy recovery to the woman. We know this, we know say the woman I go sue Donna, we know say a lie Donna tell, we know say a fear cat, we know, and even both sides, Even some of the people, and the woman evil, and the woman this, and the woman that. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Anything can happen. It's sad. It is very sad. But couldn't we just for one moment think about the woman's health? The lady is diabetic. Think about the lady's health and at least could say, because I'll tell you something. The cat that bite the lady is not that cat that Donna have at her house. No. How do you know that Donna? Because I said, let me tell you something. Me personally, I don't believe in Obia. Me personally, I don't believe in Obia. But how do you know that Donna is indulged or involved in Obia? Either you have, because what were you doing there? Certain things you only implicate yourself more. Certain things you only implicate yourself more, because somehow we accuse Donna, but we are go and sit down and eat with Donna. So we love it to or we teach Donna about it. And to be honest, that cat is not the cat. Let me tell you something. Donna don't own the cat. I know Donna bite the lady. And I know Joshie bite the woman. Uno not think about the woman health. Uno a speculate, uno think, and yes, and a fear. Let me tell you something. It is normal. All sometimes you see people in a vehicle a drive and a feed the stray animals them. All sometimes people a drive and a feed the stray animal them. So why not think about the lady's health? Why not think about the lady's health? And you know the thing is, if them did have a big platform when them do the only somebody getting out of this Donna. How much you now get? $5 and $2? Just to come out and talk so much thing. Good morning. Just to come out and make up so much speculation and allegation, and this is the cat bite the lady. It could be a dog. Yes, we never see it yet, but that no say no figure answer. Who tell you say the when me hear you say Donna no have a leg to stand up on? Donna no have leg to stand up on. I was like, oh. And the woman I go sue Donna. It only give me now for say, well, I want to send the woman go Donna yard because you don't know too much. You don't know little too much, because how you don't know say the woman I go sue Donna? Dog bite my daughter. And I never saw nobody. All I was glad that they could patch, and my daughter never have no mark on her, and that is it. I never saw nobody. I never saw nobody. Money is not all, you know. I was talking to a lady once. I was talking to a lady a couple years ago when her daughter, well, two of them, because of the work that I do. Okay, let me tell you something. The 3rd of November 2023, something happened to me in my life. For all who know. I didn't come on social media. People know that I am in pain. And what happened to me on the 3rd of November 2023 I'm telling you, no money, nothing can ease my pain. Nothing can ease my pain. And when somebody is going to sit down, the part that doesn't sit well with me, is this. The lady, because you want the woman to sue Donna, and the woman, not even one, you're talking, yeah, the woman is gonna, what about if the woman is like me, where we'll say, okay, guess what? Because let me tell you something, in life you have to give and take. I have said it. My son here, the 17-year-old, he was that, as I said it a couple of days, and he's kind of thick, so he lick, when he slap the kids, he always slap them hard. And let me tell you something, there are parents that they never, even with the insurance, they never try to carry me down, try to sue me, try for me. I remember I had to buy medicine for one, like a little cream. Never. Again, money is not all of who want to rejoice and saying that the lady is going to, because when I eat out, them talk is like, me would have said the lady, because the lady is going to sue Donna, and Donna don't have two legs to stand up on. But Donna sure have the support from me, because if anything and the lady come, me will put my big mouth. And if me have to pay my rent, Donna, because I say, me know, and if me not have to pay my rent, me can talk to my landlord, because me didn't have a problem the other day. My landlord was surprised and me pay. Donna, if the liquor much, me can't help you much. But if in case anything, me there, me will use my big mouth, and I will stand up with you, because guess what? I know you bite the woman. If I did you bite the woman, no, Donna, if I did you turn cannibal and bite the woman, me know the woman did have to lock up your backside. But since I know you bite the woman, and it's not the cat where you feed, where they constantly bite the woman. But you know what? Myself over Ashanti me hear it, because after Derek got to Donna, I go prepare food and do, make up them, then I have to wash today, so I take off them kids' bed and something and the little thing. Myself never would, no, them not miss no life. But the thing is, them not making nothing off for the content. One $5, one $2. And I said all them, the insect them attack. All the insect them attack, them now say speedy recovery to the lady and worry about the woman health. Them a worry about the woman to sue Donna, and who a walk over here, and who this, and a this, and a that, and me not understand this. But this is the thing, did the lady actually, what I hear, like the lady didn't even, when she tell Donna she was diabetic, and she didn't even want to go to doctor, is Donna's person it for her to go to the doctor. This is the thing now, when me will start to think now, because how you know the lady I go sue Donna? How you know the, you not go like a Donna church for the woman and bite the woman? What is this big thing about? Nobody now worry about the woman health. Nobody now worry about the woman health. The woman health more concern me than who for the cat, where the cat, Donna did a this, Donna did a that. Oh, you know say Donna in a obia. nobody not think about the woman health. If say this lady is dying, and then what's the big news? What's so big? What is so big? Yes, me know see the first wave as a cat bite, we see cat scratch people. But what the big news? Nighttime when someone figure on the bed, no health no good. What the big news and why you no want the woman to sue Donna? Why? And who telling us say the woman? Who telling us say? May I get one important? Cause I know some have to come back with a live here. And who telling us say? Who wanna know Donna in a Obia? Everything wanna do on a job. Me no know. Nobody no concerned about the woman health. The woman health is more concerning to me. I must send the woman go there, and I don't want to judge the woman by that because the lady seems to be, because let me tell her something. She seems to be, you know, a very humble lady, a very, you know, she seems to be that type of person. I'm more concerned about the woman health, and she did the right thing. But why everybody? Why? You know, this is the thing. I understand the lady health and the lady got thing there, but it could happen anywhere else. How much people lost their life? I think I saw Papa put it up this morning where 2 persons at a jerk center. And you know, lady, and yeah, even though you have that, she's diabetes, but what does not take life doesn't take anything. And nobody's talking about how much people. Who could have wondered how much people not eat last night, got in bed? What? Why everything because of Donna and Donna? Me no see what the big. Me no see. I know. Me no see what this big life. Me no see what this big life and this thing is about and this and Wobia and the part and the sewing part and Donna not have no leg to stand up and she sure got legs. You know, let me tell you something. I hear that too, and again, I don't want to take this thing out of proportion because I can tell you, I have a 7-year-old child in here, and if you come to my house and I see that child doesn't take to you and run you and doesn't want, there's something about my son. My son sees you, and as soon as I see he start, if I ever see you on the road and I see he start getting miserable like he wants to live, and there's something about you. I don't want to judge the woman by that either. I don't want to. The lady was there to buy cakes. We all know that's the cat that bite the lady. Is not. Donna feeding the cat doesn't have nothing to do with the cat biting the woman. And what will you get? Will you get a percentage of when the cat bite the woman? And I think that's a suing go. I know Derek and his brother. I know Derek and his brother too. But me not in trouble because I don't want him cost me. Who not go get a cut out of the suing money and the lady tell us that she go sue Donna? Did the woman say she going to sue Donna? I don't give a damn if they want to listen. That's my opinion. That's bullshit, cat. Well, I the first never see, but I don't think if you go Google Go and go Google, me not think of the woman first cat bite. People are walk on the road and people jump out, stray animal jump out and bite them. Me not see what the big thing. I'll know me not see what the big thing, and none of them now worry about the woman health. Them a worry about Sue, them a worry about Obia, them a worry about, them a say a Donna cat. Where go if the woman sue Donna, una go get a cut out of the money? Una go get a cut out of the money? No. Una nah get a cut out of the money. Una nah worry about the woman. I'm more concerned how the woman wake up. And it's funny enough if it's me like Donna. I would get up with all due respect. I'm gonna call the lady and I would say nothing. It's funny how you have a platform. It is very funny and it's strange and it's sad. Or you have a platform and you cannot come out and say something to your followers or your supporters because haters will take it and twist it up. Because yeah, I would really like to hear how the lady, how she sleep last night. But my God, if Donna should come out this morning and say she talk to the lady and what, them are gonna run and twist it up. Them are gonna run and twist it up. It is very sad. People can bitter so. Yeah, the cat bite the woman. We never see that yet. Me personally never see that. Me know a cat scrap. But the woman diabetic, me not hear nobody a talk about the woman health. I hope them a talk about a Donna cat. I like Donna tell. The woman for sue Donna. Donna on the foot to stand up. And why Donna on the foot to stand up on? Because you not have a foot to stand up on, that don't mean that she not have a foot to stand up on because she will be support. She have her support. Me don't know who the cat, it doesn't matter who the cat belongs to. It's the way how these people going on. It's the way how these people going on and what the things and what them are doing and talk about the woman. How you know say that not involved in a Obia? How you know say this have nothing to do with Obia? It is going on too much now. Some of you where I'll go Donna yana sit down and yam and Donna send money come go no. We know over there. The one who take Donna Obia money, when we couldn't go eat with Donna and when we couldn't call on her phone because she black on no know to she Obia worker. None of you now worry about the woman health. You know too because I want to know say the woman I go sue Donna. Can make somebody screenshot something come send me where one of Donna ex. Cause that's an ex-friend because you're name with somebody and them a friend are just greedy enough. At the point, Donna have a foot to stand on have leg. They don't have leg to stand up on.